Hello, everyone. Welcome to How to Cut Your Misunderstandings of Flags, Episode 1 with Dr. Torstel here. So, in this video here, we are going to review what insert the remaining level flag does and what replace some levels with hands do in this video. So, last year we got insert 9 levels that are normally omitted from the randomizer during randomization. They can now occupy tiles that are normally spades or blank in the vanilla game. Now, what does this actually mean? How does this affect the hands flag? Is how you may ask. So it does two things. So the two things it does is, if the hand flag is on, which it is for this tournament, the certain locations will always be a hand in a world. And those are right before any castle and on the final screen of World 8, the 3 bonus added levels. The dark area of World 8 will never have a hand. And none of the fortresses will ever switch to hands either. And every world will have 2 to 5 hands throughout the 8 worlds. So you could potentially roll 40 of the 90 stages be hands if you're really unlucky. So now, let's go review each of the 8 worlds where the hands can spawn. In World 1 here, the tile right above 1-6 will spawn a hand. So consider that when clouding to a fortress or going across. In World 2, at this elbow location, right before the castle, will always spawn a hand if a level spawns there. World 3, outside Wendy's castle, will also spawn a hand if a level spawns there. World 4, this one here is particularly interesting compared to the other ones, because if this level rolls here and you got this coin ship here, if this was a bro, and let's say it was a water battle, if the level wasn't there, the bro could go from a water battle to a land battle. But since that level's there, that bro is locked there. So be aware. If you see that level there and you see a bro, hope it's a good arena, because it can be bad. But yeah, a hand will spawn there too. World 5, we call this the 5-10 tile. It's very troll, makes this section of the world really long. Usually about 4 levels, as seen. Minus the twisty. World 6 can have a hand right across the other 2 bridges. In this situation, you could even gamble if that level's a hand or an item level that gives you a hammer. Could potentially just break the lock. World 7 will get one to spawn right here. Right before the castle, right across the bridge. And now, World 8. This is why you don't invest this year in clouds. As the first level could be a regular level. It could be a tank. If that rolls a tank, a ship, the fake tank, or any of that, or not a level panel, guess what? Your cloud's going to be useless in that valley. So adapt your style, or you're going to end up like this. But yeah, this concludes Dr. Torstel's review of the hand flag. Like and subscribe. Follow me on Twitch at twitch.tv Dr. Torstel. And thank you for watching. Have yourselves a good day. Bye-bye for now.